relationship, don't you?
That's one word for it.
Bit of a mother-in-law from hell.
Doesn't mean I wanted her dead.
You and her son, Peter. You've had your ups and downs.
No more than any young parents.
Yeah. So you're just starting to get back to a better place. You turn up in France and find his mother's come out of witness protection.
She pretended to be dead for 25 years, so her word don't really count for much, does it?
You really don't have to answer.
It wasn't just him she was deserting, was it? His sister Lucy was your best friend. You were angry at the victim on her behalf.
Lucy was murdered. And your lot messed that up and all. You put my dad in prison.
Which is why this time we're determined to leave no stone unturned. So, mother-in-law's back, interfering between you and her precious son.
Yeah. She's out of other people's beds long enough.
And you go and find yourself pregnant again. I bet she had lots to say about that, didn't she?
I've told you everything that I know. I don't know what you're trying to get at.
I believe you're a recovering alcoholic and that you're receiving treatment for drug addiction.
Just painkillers. I was in a crush.
You must have gone through the whole process. Trust, understanding.
I strongly object to the nature of your questioning.
Acknowledgement.
Freedom. Growth. Forgiveness.
You are seeking to manipulate my client's addiction journey.
You know better than most how denial can hinder a recovery.
That night.
You don't seem to have shared Ms. Beale's formal statement, which I'm assuming is because she hasn't yet been able to make one. She's had a serious head injury.
Your client was speaking.
She's been in a coma until last night. She's clearly, and I'm being charitable, an unreliable witness whose memory is only brokenly returning. Yet you're basing your entire case on her verbal testimony.
Doctors were happy for us to speak to her.
There's no evidence, no CCTV, no DNA placing my client at the scene. Even the victim's own, frankly, dubious account says simply that Ms. Branning was there, not that she attacked her. So I suggest, unless there are any other grounds to charge.
You'll be bailed to a future date for this matter to be fully investigated. And for forensics to undertake their own examinations into the outstanding evidence. This interview's terminated. For tonight. This isn't over.